We all dream of making our money work for us. But what if I told you that $40,000 invested smartly could eventually replace your full-time job? Today, I'll show you how that's possible using SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. No hype, no complex strategies, just smart investing and the power of time. Part 1. What is SCHD? SCHD is a low-cost ETF focused on dividend-paying companies with solid track records. Think Coca-Cola, Home Depot, Target, Ford, and Lockheed Martin. It has an expense ratio of just 0.06%, dividend yield around 4%, and an average annualized return of around 12.6%. That means it pays you passive income, while also growing your capital substantially over time. Part 2. What $40,000 can really do for you. Let's break it down. If you invest $40,000 in SCHD, your first-year dividends could be around $1,470. But here's where it gets interesting. SCHD grows by about 12% annually, and when you reinvest those dividends, you're compounding that growth over time. It's like planting a tree that grows fruit and then planting each fruit to grow even more trees. Over time, your forest expands and produces more fruit without you doing any extra work. Fast forward 10 years, that $40,000 could grow to over $124,000, paying nearly $4,500 annually. After 30 years, the same $40,000 could be worth almost $1.2 million, generating over $44,000 per year in dividends alone. That's more than many full-time salaries. Part 3. Why SCHD beats your job? Unlike a job, SCHD works 24/7. No stress, no boss, just compound growth and increasing income. And even if the market dips, SCHD's focus on dividend growth keeps your income stream more stable than relying on stock prices alone. Part 4. How to get started? Start today. Open a brokerage account. It could be on Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard, or whichever platform you prefer. Search for the ticker SCHD and invest what you can. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, the key is to start small. Stay consistent and be disciplined. Over time, those small amounts begin to grow and compound. That's when the magic really starts to happen. Set up automatic investments and turn on dividend reinvestment, so your money keeps working for you. And if you can, use a Roth IRA to avoid paying taxes on your growth later. Remember, $40,000 won't change your life overnight, but with patience and time, it can buy your freedom. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep building financial freedom together.